All right, so where is the Files app on your iPhone? A lot of times, it'll just be sitting on your home screen. You can swipe between these pages left and right, and the Files app looks like this, a blue folder on a white background. That's your file manager on iOS. Of course, depending on your apps and how you have them set up, the exact position of the Files app will almost always be different for each user. Another easy way to find it, use Search. Anywhere on your home screen, swipe down from the middle of your display, and that'll pull up Search. Type in Files, and it should show up right at the top of the results. If it doesn't, I'll show you in a second how to add it back. A third way would be through the App Library. Swipe all the way to the right on your home screen until you reach the App Library view, and here you'll see little groups for your apps. You'd usually find files under Productivity, though those group names might vary slightly on your phone. If you tap the little search button up top in the library, you can also view all your apps in alphabetical order, and then scroll down the list and find what you're looking for. That'd be another way to spot files quickly. And just like we searched on the home screen, the App Library view has its own search. Just activate the top search bar by tapping it, and then type in what you're looking for. Now, if Files simply isn't showing up at all, and you've tried everything I showed, it's possible that it's been deleted off your phone. And if that's the case, we can download it back onto your phone, since it looks like it got deleted at some point. Go to the App Store, tap the search, and search for Apple Files, and it'll show up in the results looking like this. Just make sure not to get mixed up with any sponsored ads for other file manager apps, since App Store searches will give you a long list of results. Mine's already installed, so it just says Open, but if yours was deleted, you'd usually see a little cloud icon with a download arrow, or an install button instead. Just tap that, and it'll download files back onto your phone. It won't cost you anything since it's a free native iOS app. And that's how you find the Files app. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all.